Avalanche project is performed by a team of 5 mechanical engineering students. The project aims to conceive and manufacture a bike that reproduces the downhill biking experience during the winter season. Downhill mountain biking is an extreme sport practiced worldwide which mixes speed, agility, and adrenaline. Even if mountain bikers can find alternative sports during winter, these people look forward to extend their biking season all year long. Current products do not allow them to do so. The Avalanche project wants to meet the demand by creating a custom-made prototype unique in its capacity to reproduce a conventional mountain bike feeling and behavior. Every component and system were selected carefully to get an optimal prototype performance. This final functional prototype will be exposed at the Mega Genial Expo in December 2015 at Sherbrooke University. This annual show exposes about 30 engineering projects and attracts 2,500 visitors. To make this project happen, our team will have to compose with a tight schedule, limited hardware resources, and a budget completely funded by sponsorships. This team needs around $10,000 for the purchase of mechanical components and the manufacturing of custom-made parts. This is why the Avalanche project is looking for the support of any sponsor. For further information on how to support the team, please visit our website in the sponsor section. You can also contact us directly by email at the following address: